Hey savvy shoppers, are you ready to unlock the secret to unbeatable savings? Today, I'm here to spill the beans on how you can get those exclusive 99% off plus free shipping coupon codes for Temu from Savings Says. Trust me, your wallet is about to become your new best friend. Imagine getting your hands on the latest tech gadgets, lifestyle essentials, and more at a mind-blowing 99% off. The best part, free shipping is the cherry on top. Now, who wouldn't want to dive into the ultimate shopping spree with deals like these? Getting your hands on these exclusive coupon codes is easy. Head over to the Savings Says website, navigate to the Temu deals section, and voila, your gateway to savings paradise. But wait, here's the catch: this incredible offer won't last forever. Time is ticking, and you don't want to miss out on this exclusive deal. It's now or never. From tech gadgets to lifestyle essentials, Temu has it all. And with a whopping 99% off, you can upgrade your life without downgrading your bank account. Not only will you save big on top quality products, but you'll also enjoy the satisfaction of being a smart shopper. These coupon codes are your golden ticket to the ultimate shopping spree without breaking the bank. Ready to transform your shopping experience? Click the link in the description to visit Savings Says and uncover the magic coupon codes for Temu. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the savings joy. Happy shopping!